Ever wondered how to keep your online activities private and secure? The answer is simpler than you might think, by using a virtual private network, or VPN for short. Imagine a VPN as a secure tunnel for your data. When you send information over the internet, it travels through this tunnel, keeping it hidden from prying eyes. It's like sending a letter in an unbreakable code. Only you and the recipient have the key to decipher it. This process, known as encryption, makes the data unreadable to anyone else. But a VPN does more than just cloak your data in a layer of security. It also hides your IP address, the unique identifier that can reveal your online identity and location. By masking your IP address, a VPN keeps your online presence anonymous. Think of it as wearing a disguise while walking through a crowded city. You're there, but no one knows who you are or where you're from. Moreover, a VPN allows you to connect to servers in different countries, enabling you to access content that may be geographically restricted. It's like having a magic door that can transport you to any place in the world, bypassing any barriers in your way. Finally, a VPN can also help you browse securely on public Wi-Fi networks. Without a VPN, your data is like an open book, easily read by anyone who cares to look. But with a VPN, your data is locked away, safe and sound. In summary, a VPN does three key things. It encrypts your data, hides your IP address, and allows you to access geographically restricted content. By doing so, it keeps your online activities private and secure. So the next time you're online, remember, a VPN is your best friend in the digital world.